Hi dear Capricorn, and a very good afternoon to you guys. So I'm doing your reading till mid of April. We will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what the outcome will be. Okay, so I'm doing it live today. Otherwise, I used to do it like I used to shuffle the cards before and then I proceed with the video. So I'm just doing it live today. Let's see what is coming for you, Capricorn. Hmm. Okay, your partner's energy. Okay, nice. Your energy. And we will clarify the outcome. Okay, so right now your partner's energy, Capricorn, is the Queen of Pentacles. I think your partner is more focused on their work right now. They are more focused on your stability, or it can also be possible that your person is now ready to commit because they are now. This is the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles is very stable, very dependable, you can say, and she is or he is ready to commit to somebody, or ready to proceed to another level, to next level. But what I feel from this reading is right now they are working on themselves. Right now they are busy doing something, but on the other hand, in the on the emotional side, they are ready to commit as well, what I can feel. Okay, how they see you, I think your partner sees you as somebody who is very confusing and who is not able to make a decision, or your partner feels like you are not able to make a decision for them. You are caught between yes or no, or there might be two people in your life, Capricorn, that you are very confused about them, and your partner knows it. Your partner knows that there are two situations in your life, or two people in your life, and most of the people, most of your partners know this, Capricorn, that you are stuck between two people right now, or two situations right now. Okay, what they feel about this relationship is the Two of Cups. They feel this is a soulmate energy. They feel very soulful with you. They feel like this is a spiritual connection, this is a spiritual union, and you are somebody related to them from your past, from their past, in the past lives. Maybe you guys have a past life connection also. It could also be possible, but right now your partner sees you as a soulmate energy. They see you as a very loving energy. You are no, completing them. You are their other half. This is what they are feeling right now about this particular relationship. But they want temperance. They want balance in this relationship. I feel like this relationship is not working out the way it should be. There's disbalance, there's conflicts going on, there's lots of issues going on, and what they want from this relationship is temperance card, is balance. All they want from this relationship right now, Capricorn, is balance till the mid of March, mid of April, I'm really sorry. Okay, and the outcome from their side is the Two of Wands. They are waiting on you. They are just waiting for you to come out and conversate with them, have a conversation and clear out the air with them. They will wait. I don't think they are going to do anything about this waiting thing. We will clarify that, Capricorn. I feel like your person is just waiting for you to come out of your shell, or your conflicts, and then talk to them, and then have a complete conversation, have an open and honest communication with them. So let's clarify the Two of Wands. Why is the Two of Wands here? Okay. Yes. The Devil card is also here. Capricorn, to be very honest, your person is waiting on you to leave the other party, or leave some kind of conflict behind, because I feel like this person feels like there is somebody else in your life that you have to leave to come to them. Okay, you have to leave the past energy to come to this present energy, because they feel like they are being betrayed in the past, or they are being you are not being honest with them in the past, or right now they know your situation. They are waiting on you. Maybe you are tied down to somebody, and they feel like they were betrayed in the past, and that is why they are waiting for you to come out and tell them what to do next. And this is the Knight of Wands. They are although they are very passionate about you, although they feel the passion, the energy between you guys, but they are waiting on you. They are not going to take any kind of action. They are just waiting on you, because I feel like you are tied to somebody else as well. Capricorn, the Devil card is for you as well. So Capricorn, I feel like you are might be you might this is not like you are in a third party situation. It is for some people. For some people it is there, the third party is also there. But you are tied down to something. I feel like you might be addicted to something, or you might be addicted, or you might be, tied down to a particular situation that you are not able to leave and move forward towards this person. But whatever the situation is, this person knows that you betrayed them in the past, maybe, and they felt like that, if not, okay, and they are waiting. They are not doing any kind of, they are not doing, taking any kind of initiative from their side. They're just waiting on you, okay. The energy, the energy for Capricorns, the Hierophant. You might be dealing with a Taurus Capricorn, another earth sign maybe, and there's lots of wands as well. Fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, I don't know. So basically, your energy is like you are working on your spiritual side, Capricorn. You are tapping into your intuition, you are tapping into your spiritual energy. You are ready to commit. You are ready for the commitment, or be in a relationship, or be in a spiritual connection, or be in a long term commitment with somebody. You are feeling ready now, okay? What do you feel about your partner? How you see your partner, you can say. You see your partner as a Three of Pentacles. Now again, this is like, I feel like you feel like stuck between two people, and you feel like your partner, the current partner of yours, is a good catch, and you don't want them to let go of this relationship, or you in person. The roles can be reversed also, okay, keep that in mind. So you see your partner as somebody who is very very hardworking, who is very efficient, who is a team worker, but I feel like there is strong third party situation here, and that is why you are kind of stuck, Capricorn. What do you feel about this relationship? This is the Eight of Swords energy. Being with this person, being in this relationship, is making you feel like mentally very very drained. You are thinking a lot from the mental level. You are not letting your heart guide the situation. So Capricorn, you are feeling like, you are in a jail, you are in some kind of jail, you are in a mental jail. You are not able to come out of this conflict, no matter how hard you are trying. You're mentally sick of the situation. You are mentally stuck on this situation, and you are not understanding which way to go. This is what is happening. This is how you are feeling about this relationship. What you want from this relationship is the star. You want to heal. You want this relationship to heal and come out in a positive light, and to work out eventually. You also want balance in this relationship. You also want love in this relationship. You also want something beautiful and positive in this relationship, and you are in the healing phase, Capricorn, to be very honest. Basically, I feel like there are two people, there are two situations that you are dealing with right now, and you have to choose the one. You have to decide the one. Your partner, on the other hand, is waiting on you very very eagerly for that message, for that conversation, for that honest and open communication. The outcome from your side is the Ace of Cups. I think there will be a new beginning in love, or might be you will choose some person. Maybe you will choose a new person, and you will start a new beginning with. There will be a new beginning in love with this particular person, whomsoever you choose, and there will be lots of lovey-dovey conversations. And I'm so sorry, the airplane is passing over my head, like from my flat. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups. Sorry about that. So yeah, let me clarify the Ace of Cups. There will be a new beginning in your love life, and till the mid of April, and that is going to make you happy, relieved. Actually, you are in a very very down situation, maybe from past few months, I can say. Okay, so let's clarify. Okay, this is Ace of Cups is clarified by the Six of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Magician. Yeah, you are seeking balance. You are manifesting this person in your life, or this loving energy, or this new love energy in your life. And the Emperor is talking about stability. So basically, you will seek the balance. There will be equal give and take from both the parties, if you are ready to open up, if you are ready to trust your intuition, and tell the person how you exactly feel. If you are ready for that honest and open conversation, that will bring you lots of happiness, lots of love, and there will be balance, there will be stability. Emperor is basically somebody who is very very stubborn, but it is loyal as hell as well, and it is a very very stable energy. And this is the Magician card. That is, you are manifesting a new beginning with this person. You are manifesting a love relationship with this person, and that is what is happening with you guys. So till the middle of April, so you are going to talk to them, you are going to open up to them, you are going to show all the emotions, all the colors of yours, to your partner, and it will eventually open up a very very beautiful cycle between you guys. Okay, so let's and they are waiting on you very very heavily, Capricorn. Trust me, they are just waiting on you to have a conversation, to have that, emotional talk. So let's see what the universe wants to guide you for. The advice from the universe. This is a love oracle deck, especially for lovers. Okay, okay. This is the past energy: heartbroken, pain, separation, deception. I think the past energy is this. So in the past, maybe in the recent past, you had the heartbreak, you had the pain, you had the separation with somebody, and that is why you are now, right now also, you are not opening up. Okay, so your present energy, let's see your present energy. Cassette, outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events. I told you, you are feeling you are feeling like you're stuck in jail or something. So this is what is happening with you guys. If you can see this, Capricorn, just read it aloud, okay? And the near future, let's see the near future, or the mid of April, till the mid of April, what is happening with you guys. Okay, soulmates. Wow, nice energy. Soulmate, soul connection, partnership, agreement. Your partner is already feeling that you are their soulmate. Okay, so this is all about your reading. This is all about your love life till the mid of April, Capricorn. Thank you so much for being so patient with me, and really sorry for not being able to upload the videos. I was not going through a good phase in my life, but I'm trying my best to keep it updated now and keep it flowing. Okay, thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste, and do let me in the comment section below if it resonates with you, and if I can change anything in my readings that will allow you guys to have a more insight. Okay, thank you so much. Namaste.